Once you are here, you are the fucking prisoner.
Hello, Ape. Listen carefully. The transfer will happen in a while. Your unit will be in charge of one of the most expensive cybercriminal we have ever had. He is Brown, was born in Romania, grew up in Russia, studied philosophy in Nepal, art in Switzerland, IT in Czech and Germany, extreme self-defense school in Chicago and Afghanistan. But he never graduated in any of his majors. We found his trace in 186 countries. So be aware, he can escape at any time, using anything. He speaks 11 different languages. Avoid eye contact. Don't speak to him.
Who the fuck are you, man?
We know you are a fucking nation-state ATP.
Try to keep your distance from him and always separate him with other inmates. Camera must be on 24/7.